Hey, what's up, Charles? AllCoastLawncare&pressurewashing. A little bit sunny out here right now. Hey, we're in February. Grass wants to grow, but not really. Bunch of weeds popping out right now. So I am doing cleanups. You know what I mean? And like move out cleanups and people moving in. They're not satisfied with the yard. They're requesting the yard to be cleaned up. And also people who are just didn't take care of their leaves and pine needles during the fall season. All right. I had one customer call me. They're requesting a quote for a leaf and pine needle cleanup of their yard. I'm like, okay, I could go over there today, sir, and assist the yard and give you a quote. All right. I'm having more people to come by and they're gonna give me a quote. So go ahead and just text me what the quote is. Like, all right, no problem, sir. Okay. So check this out, y'all. All right, I'm not dumb, okay? I'm going on 5 years now. You know what I mean? Of lawn care, of doing lawns, and of giving quotes and dealing with customers. All right. So you learn through experience, okay? Through trials and errors, okay? By making mistakes, by being played, by being lowballed. All right, you learn, okay? So when somebody tells you that, all right, I'm just kind of getting quotes right now. Okay, you know what I mean? Like, oh man, he's getting quotes. I gotta make sure I give him a good deal. That's what they want. They want you to give them a good deal, okay? You know what I mean? It's like placing bids for commercial properties. They're going with the lowest bidder. All right, remember, you get what you pay for, okay? But anyway, so I went over there and man, that yard was a mess. I think he was getting kicked out of the house or whatever because he had furniture out there in the backyard. You know, he had like tree branches that fell from the prior storms. None of that stuff was picked up. There was just leaves and pine needles everywhere. Like the edging was overgrown on the street curb. It was bad, y'all. So while I was assessing the yard, okay, I'm gonna tell you right now, the yard was $600. I shot him a text. Yeah, I didn't get a reply back. Oh well, you know what I mean? I'm not bothered, okay? I ain't gonna be the lowest bidder on that freaking yard, okay? You know what I'm saying? Why? Because remember, you have to a lot of blowing of pine needles and the leaves, all right? Okay, there's fuel for your blower, there's fuel for your lawn, there's mixed fuel for your blower, okay? You know what I'm saying? You have to have like that 5:1 ratio for mixed fuel, all right? So it costs money, you know what I mean? And I think I was gonna have to probably go through 2 tanks of blowing pine needles and leaves. You know what I mean? Yeah, that bad. All right. And like a lot of mulching going back and forth. So it was a lot, y'all. Okay. Anyway, he didn't call me back. No sweat. So anyway, so when I was doing, so there was somebody waiting for me by the street. And I go, hello, sir. Like, yeah, I saw a truck and I live just right across the street. And I was wondering if you could give me a quote for the front yard. My lawnmower, the belt, it busted and I'm waiting for a part. I'm like, okay, so you're right there, sir? I'm like, yeah. All right, can we mind if I just walk it real quick? Yeah. So I'm already thinking in my head, right? Key words, key phrases. Just a front lawn. You know what I mean? So they're expecting like a little quote. And I told you in my last videos, my starting price for a small house, you know, like even if it's a mobile home, it's $60, okay? A townhome is $60, no matter what, all right? That's my starting rate, okay? So anyway, so I'm at the yard and I'm going on the side of the yard. He goes, no, not just right there. Yeah, sir, just right here, sir. So he's already trying to tell me like not that much, like, you know what I mean? He wants me to give him like he doesn't want to charge too much, all right? And then there's like a dead squirrel on the ground. Oh, you got a dead squirrel right here, sir. I'm like, all right, sir. So he just wanted to clean up, right? There was leaves. He wanted the leaves blown off the street onto the grass and mowed over. He said mow over the leaves. All right, sir. So you have a squirrel here. I got to remove. I got to pick up these sticks, blowing all the leaves onto the yard and mulching them. It's gonna be $60, sir. You know, $60. Oh, no way, sir. That's our start off rate, sir, for any size yard is $60, no matter what. $60 for 5 minutes of mowing? Huh, no, that's okay. I'll pass. Like, all right, sir, where's my card? He took my card, okay. All right, sir. Feel free to give me a call if you still want me to come service your yard. You know, so what would you do, y'all? Well, you had took the yard. You're right there. You know what I mean? It would have took more than 5 minutes. It probably maybe took like maybe 25 minutes. All right, because he had like a lot of sticks to pick up. All right, I had a dead squirrel. Like, really? He's just gonna like leave a dead squirrel on the yard? And I even told him about it, and he like, yeah, it's a dead squirrel. You know, so anyway, hey, what would you have done? Would you have like charged them less just because you're right there and it's a front yard? You know what I mean? I mean, you already done drove, right? You know what I'm saying? And bam, a customer wants to. Remember I told you, hey, customers are watching, okay? They're gonna come up to you and ask you for a quote for their yard. Remember I told you that, like in past videos? But this is what happened, y'all. But he wanted like just a front yard done, and he wanted like a low price. All right, so hey, don't lowbar yourself. Take pride in your business. Okay, don't let nobody treat you like the $25 guy. I don't know. How do I look, y'all? Do I look like that type of guy that they'll just take it for like 25 bucks? Leave a comment, y'all. Tell me what you think. Anyway, y'all, hey, God bless. Hey, sharpen those blades. Service your lawnmowers. All right, oil changes to your mowers. Okay, clean out those carburetors. Your trailer tires, make sure they're good. You have a good trailer tires. All right, make sure you got straps, all right, to cargo strap all your gear to your trailer. And don't forget about your truck or whatever you use to tow the trailer. Make sure your truck has tires too, good tires, all right? Hey, oil changes, maintenance, it all costs money, y'all, okay? So don't lowbar yourself, all right? Hey, thanks for watching. God bless. Tell me what you think. Hey, see you in the next video. Bye.